First question. Kathak is a classical dance form of which Indian state? Correct answer option B, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. In which state does the sun first enter in India? Correct answer option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of sunflower in India? Correct answer option A, Karnataka. Next question. Where was the national anthem of India first sung? Correct answer option C, Kolkata. Next question. What is the national song of India? Correct answer option D, Vande Mataram. Next question. Which place is known as the Paris of India? Correct answer option C, Jaipur. Next question. Who was the first guru of Sikhs? Correct answer option A, Guru Nanak. Next question. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Correct answer option B, Porbandar. Next question. How many years is the term of office for the President of India? Correct answer option C, 5 years. Next question. Tehri Dam is situated in which state of India? Correct answer option B, Uttarakhand. Next question. Kuchipudi is a classical dance form of which Indian state? Correct answer option A, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which is the lower house of the Parliament of India? Correct answer option C, Lok Sabha. Next question. Which is the first missile developed in India? Correct answer Prithvi. Next question. What is the official language of Odisha? Correct answer option B, Odia. Next question, when is National Voters Day celebrated in India? Correct answer option C, 25th January. Next question, which state is the largest producer of groundnut in India? Correct answer option D, Gujarat. Next question, which place is known as the Steel City of India? Correct answer option A, Jamshedpur. Next question, Konark Sun Temple is located in which Indian state? Correct answer option D, Odisha. Next question, English is the official language of which Indian state? Correct answer option C, Nagaland. Next question, what is the national dance form of India? Correct answer option D, Bharatanatyam. Next question, Mahatma Gandhi started Dandi March in which year? Correct answer option B, 1930. Next question, which state in India shares a boundary with only one Indian state? Correct answer option C, Sikkim. Next question, who is known as the father of Indian agriculture? Correct answer option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Next question, where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India located? Correct answer option B, Mumbai. Next question, which Indian state has the longest border with China? Correct answer option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, Aizawl is the capital city of which Indian state? Correct answer option A, Mizoram. Next question, who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Correct answer option C, Tessie Thomas. Next question. Which is a famous folk dance of Rajasthan? Correct answer option B. Goomer. Next question. Where is the Lotus Temple located in India? Correct answer option A. New Delhi. Next question. Banjara is a folk dance of which Indian state? Guess me correct answer and comment the box. Thanks for watching.